Hello everyone, welcome back to rubyinstaller YouTube channel. And today I'm gonna install Ruby on Rails in Windows operating system of Windows 11. For what you're gonna ask for an open source project that I'm gonna contribute of antivirus open source. Let's go to the desktop and check the requirements. Here the Ruby version has to be of 3.3.9, but I have installed it has to be 3.4.3, but I have installed 3.3.9 older version. I guess it's recording. Yes. After searching for about a day, 2 days, I got this one by searching in here. It's the Ruby specific version in Windows 11. It gave this URL rubyinstaller.downloads /archives. If you don't go archives, then it will give this one. It will be of 3.4.6, 3.3.9. They clearly mentioned the 3.4.3. Here the version is, mine is x64-bit. If it is 32, you can install x86. All other specification as per the system configuration. I have installed it here. Let's open it. Double click to start this one. It's gonna take some time, I guess. Yeah, it got this one. Windows operating system is not supporting this installations, but we're gonna to override. Defender is not accepting this one, but we override it and install it. Right click it, close this window, install only for this one, not for all users. I have only one user. Better to install for only yourself than the other ones. I accept the license, click on it. If you want to read it, read the copyright disclaimer and terms and conditions. Click on next. Yeah, Ruby extension report state.rb and rbw. Ruby and Ruby files to this one is the Ruby RA HTML documentation and my M62 development toolchain of Ruby. It is of 919 MB, so you must have to get a space of about 1 to 1.5 GB. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes, a minute to 2 minutes. In the meantime, let me take you to this one, the gumroad. I already forked the repository and croned it also. I guess you have remembered that long ago I created Git command lines series, and as you can find how to clone and fork and what is Git and GitHub. It's written in Ruby, TypeScript, HTML, CSS, Shell. We're gonna focus on Ruby. It has some issues. That means features, bugs, and things that we're gonna tackle. And for some tests, they have also bounties. These are known as bounties. If you resolve the issue as per the requirement, the maintenance will provide us this much amount for the thing that we have developed and resolved to these issues. And again, next in upcoming 3 days, the festival of new commerce comes, that is Oktoberfest, the new open source contributors, where the Oktoberfest is Oktoberfest. It's an hackathon done occurs in the month of October, where you gonna contribute to an open source repository, and you have to get a 4 PRs per request upload, and you may get some specs to your address. I will show you in the next video. This one is happening since 2018 or 17, I guess. 2014, since 2014. At the starting, 676 were there. At 2024, 90,000 people were registered. It's a graphic of event. If you have GitHub, you can install with GitHub. If you have GitLab, you can install with GitLab. And after that, it fetches and you gonna contribute to the things. I will show it in the next video. This antivirus has other things also. Short test helper, flexible cutdowns. And this also there were some bounties, small bets. 9 issues, 7 issues. Yes, also there are bounties. For this all things, stop to contributors who know this one will try create and fix it and resolve it. Let's wait for a few minutes and I will come back after completion. The installation is coming to an end. All the dependencies were installed, I guess. It took about 4 to 10 minutes. I have guided this installation process. It's doing some changing install directory permissions. read, write and execute things, I guess. Let's open this one, and in here it is installed here. Let me some files get installed again. Let's complete installation. That came to an end. Finish it. Now we're gonna install my sys development kit. Click on enter to install base system update and sys min GW development toolchains. It will install automatically. Signing the case. Now using standard development tools of message and WinJW. And we can check the thing that we have installed right here by going to terminal or command prompt, typing cmd. Ruby dash p. Let's close this. Reconfigure the things that we got. Let's dash p. Not install gem dash p. Let's install. Let's control. Now we're gonna terminate. Let's go to this one. Let's go to this one and install bundle install using dependencies. Open the VS Code and open this gumroad project of Antivirus. File, open recent gumroad. Ctrl+Shift dash to open terminal if not present. The backslash, not slash, it's colon. Sorry, it's not colon, it's apostrophe. It's taking some time. certain list codes. Go into C and go into the projects and gumroad, where we have grown the project and where I am installing a bundle package of Ruby to create this dependencies one. Control C, Control V, enter. You need to install this one. This terminal is installed first and VS Code 1. Bundle install to install our dependencies given in this gem file, of this Ruby browser, Ruby on Rails project. This is the source to get the gems, and this version file has to be config .ruby dash version. Somewhere it will be above or below here, and let the specific versions. I guess you can read those things. I misspelled here, so let's edit and get fast. But these things are taking some more time. I started this one. 2.6.7 is running, but it equals 2.5.10. It's not practice to run both the things at the same time. In the meantime, I will run install dependencies from here in .env actions. Control Shift, clicking on left arrow, paste the things in the git version, remove all the things. Control L to scroll the screen and right click, tab, right arrow, and paste the .env package. Basically it's installed by the specific version. Let's start. Let me push this one to desktop 1 here. Let me place it side by side. Minimize this one. Now I'm gonna import the things. Copy code pack enable. Core pack enable. Clicking enter to check it's enabled or not. Let's install endpoint dependencies. If anything was stay it with create npm file and these things. It requires React paper, React slot, connect, Stripe. So many different packages were there. So both the things will install. Ruby is for the backend and Npm is for front end. Let's pause for a while. See that npm was installed in the packages. Con started with con and city was something. Gumroad packages and here also from Ruby and fetching metadata and installing all dependencies. So it's gonna take some 10 minutes I guess. There's so many packages were there. Switching Fairday and and installing Fairday and Synapse HTTP slacks retries all dependencies of Fairdays and some extensions of testings. Day 64 for inscriptions, connection for creating connections I guess. Minute test to test the regular test the code that we written. ASCII codes of alphabet numbers, some binary convention, specific conventions, binary, octagonal, hexagonal shapes. Surround all Ruby core threads on its flow. And it is also fast. It's 100 to 500. Switching and installing all the packages I guess. Let's pause. It took about half an hour I guess, but even though it didn't install a specific pack, let's run ruby spaces bin slash let's and server. Not working. Bin slash dev. Bin slash let's and server. Let's close this one. It's taking some time, it may run or may not. This is the first time I am running Ruby on Rails project, so don't be hectic. Let's open Ender one and try to run development one. It's taking so much time. Why I don't know. Let's try to run pin slash dev to see it's installed working or not. It couldn't find the specific versions of this packages, it seems. This is the command to install. This is an package that we're gonna install, and this is the thing. I guess the preview readme and contributions has been updated for this one. It says to use latest version, but it is not supporting the latest version of Ruby. Let's setup, enter. Let's go here and check rate speed. I will update about that project, the setup and these things. I will explain it after the setup phase. If I have contributed to it, thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe. It took about 39 minutes for installations and setup, but it didn't successfully set up it. Sorry for that. Thank you.